And as a child, you don't know the word devastation. So
No.
you don't know what you're going through. And literally, you shut down because if you don't, you're going to be punished in some way. So this little girl comes in full of creativity, curiosity, laughter, nurturing, speaking our language, knowing land as teacher. And it's a gentle teacher, right? And you come in like that. And my mom had passed on in December, and I was there 3 weeks later, not knowing English. Anyway, so it was very traumatic because I lost my mom, displaced, and then in this cold building.
And without any of your family support, aunties, uncles,
No,
nobody. Yeah.
nobody. And you go in there, so you're in the box as this little girl, and to temper your spirit and to temper your identity, because they need to make you malleable, right? Be able to give you the identity through assimilation of a little white girl. So I said to the audience, you bring in blind obedience as an expectation. I said, out goes creativity, out goes curiosity, out goes laughter. All those things we have that have been given to us as gifts from the Creator. And those are teaching tools. That's the way you learn critical thinking skills. Because now we learn by rote. It's all memory work of Europe, of Greek civilization. And then the notion of sin, because sin is a foundational core of assimilation.
This is Lynn Fraser with the Radical Recovery Summit, airing January 13th to 22nd, 2023. Please go to radicalrecoverysummit.com to view the clips and the interviews.